Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Quinn, and if you are a subscriber, welcome back. For today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the Louis Vuitton Mini Pochette. This is definitely one of those items I was not anticipating to buy at all, but YouTube definitely made me do it. I've been watching a lot of those what's in my bag video, and I've seen a lot of people having the mini pochette in their bag, and I thought it was super cute. So I decided to check the Louis Vuitton store to see if I can get one, and to find out that it's actually one of those items that's very highly sought after. But I guess I've been just getting really lucky. I've called a few sales associates through the phone, and I was able to find one in Florida and got it shipped here to me. This arrived yesterday. I didn't want to open it before doing this video because I want like a first impression, so I'm super excited to open it. It came in this box of if seal has been broken, check content, so it is secured. Okay, so again, I was not anticipating in buying this, so I don't know how I would feel seeing it in person. I'm very excited to open it. I just don't know how I would feel about it because I know it's really tiny, and yeah. Okay, let's just open this. Here it is. I'm guessing this is the receipt. Yep. This came from Palm Beach, Florida. So here you go, the blue ribbon. I don't want to ruin the bow, so I'm just going to slide it out. So a little drawer. Ooh, I like that sound. And then it's in this little duffel bag. Ooh. Here it is. Oh my god. It's made in France. I know a lot of people that I've seen on YouTube, they really want the LV product to be made in France because that's where it came from. So it's like pretty cool that it's made in France. I don't really care if it's made in Italy or France. I just don't want it to be made in the US just because I want it to be from the origin where it came from. So I'm pretty happy that it's made in France. So here, this is a closer shot of the bag, the canvas, the chain, and then the Pochette leather tab. And this comes in 3 different canvas. So this is one on the bottom. There's no LV logo, just the flowers. So there's 3 canvas total, 1, 2, and 3. Both sides, the LV is upright. And then this is LV zipper. There's the LV in the front and back. And this is how it unzips. The inside is brown. This is the coated fabric material card and the SKU number. And here's the date code. It's made in 2019, week 15. The glazing is good, I guess. I don't know, for some reason this doesn't smell new. Like my other Louis Vuitton bag usually has this like new leather smell. Oh, maybe because this is the only leather there is. This is tiny part right here. The canvas doesn't smell like anything. Oh, I forgot to show you. Here is the lobster. I think that's what it's called, the lobster clasp. It won't focus. The LV logo imprinted on the front and back, and it's detachable. I think this is super cute. This clasp here is detachable, so you can unattach and then hook it onto the side as a wristlet. But I don't really like the whole wristlet look. I really like it looking like this. It's one of the reasons why I was interested in it, because it's so cute when I saw it looking like this. So I want to share with you guys the reason why I wanted to buy this. I just love how the chain sits on this bag. I love it. It's so cute how it sits like this. I like the way the chain hits the canvas. I like the way the sound of the chain hits the canvas. So weird, so weird. Like that. And I really like this like lobster clasp situation going on. I really like that there's a chain on this, because I can just imagine it being really useful for like when you go to the bathroom and then you hook it onto the bathroom hook so it doesn't get dirty. And God forbid if there's no bathroom hooks, because sometimes that happens, you can just put it onto your wrist and keep your stuff clean. I watched some videos on YouTube and they mentioned that in the past, 2014, the mini pochette chain was actually different. It was tighter linked and heavier, and the canvas was also more stiff, but now the chain is lighter and more spaced apart. I like how this chain looks. I just like light bags in general. So yeah, I'm not gonna do like a what fits in this bag right now, because I want to be able to wear it a couple times and then do it. But I just really want to know if my iPhone X fits in this bag, so let's just try to put this in right now. If it doesn't fit, then I don't know. That's like kind of a no-no for me, because I always put my phone. Oh no. Oh no. Does it fit? Oh my god. Oh my god, it fits. Oh my god, it fits. It was a little tight up here, but it fits. And there's like this two, I don't know, tab situation going on where the phone just sits right in the middle. It's so funny. Oh my god, this is perfect. This is so good. Oh, this is so good. It fits. Oh, okay, that means I have to keep this. Yeah. So I actually have a question for you guys. If you guys do know, please comment down below and let me know. Do you guys treat your vachetta leather? Some people I know kind of put it out under the sun for like a day or two and then wear it, so then there's like a coat of protection over this untreated leather. Some other people spray it. I don't know what to do, so let me know if I should just not care and just use it or treat it or whatever. I personally just want to just wear it. Okay, I want to show you what it looks like worn, so you can hold it onto your arms like this. Or on your I don't know what it's called, arm. Wow, it's so cute. I don't know, maybe on your shoulder? Nah, it's too tiny. For sure on your arms. It's really good to just, I would think, errands. Or you can hold it like this. I like how the chain sits on the bag. Yeah, I like it like this. I would carry it like this. Alright you guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed my unboxing. Please comment down below and let me know if you guys have a mini pochette. Do you recommend it? What do you guys use it for? And give me a thumbs up if you enjoy this unboxing video, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!